You've waited too long to get a power of attorney, and now mom is no longer able to make her own decisions. Now you've got a big problem. My name is David Terry. I'm an attorney that handles nursing home abuse and neglect cases, and I've seen this situation play out many, many times. Perhaps mom was just resistant to giving up control and she refused to sign a power of attorney. Or maybe you thought you just didn't think about it because mom seemed like she was always going to be okay. Whatever the reason, something's happened, and now you're faced with a situation where mom cannot make her own decisions, and there's nobody designated by law with the power to handle her finances or make those healthcare decisions. So what do? When there's no power of attorney in place, you have to get a guardianship. Now, guardianship is much more complicated and much more costly than a simple power of attorney. The process of obtaining a guardianship also varies by state, so you really need to talk with an attorney in your local area to get the details on how to go about getting a guardianship there. But in general, it's going to require some physicians to examine your mom and write a report saying that she is no longer able to make decisions on her own. You then have to go to court, and you have a judge hear evidence, and then he or she will name you or somebody else in your family the guardian of your mom. Now, unfortunately, it costs some money and it takes several months to finalize. But in the end, I'm telling you, it'll be worth it because once the guardian is named, those decisions can now be made by somebody who has your loved one's best interests at heart. So get a power of attorney first if you can, but if you miss the window, be sure and get that guardianship, because it's important that you have somebody who knows and loves your mom in charge of her finances and her healthcare decisions.